Okay, now in 31st, the scheme shows 4 stages in the conversion of sulfur to sulfuric acid. So contact process is basically given. Sulfur is roasted to give sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is further oxidized into sulfur trioxide, which is then treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to get oleum, and then oleum is turned into sulfuric acid by adding water. So the demand is, in which stage we use the catalyst? We use in stage B, converting sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. So this is the, yes, vanadium 5 oxide is the catalyst. Good. 32. Which element has an oxide that is used as food preservative? Only one, which is sulfur dioxide, and that is come from sulfur. Okay, sulfur dioxide, which is come from sulfur. Yes, sulfur dioxide, a gas. Okay, so it is used as a gas.
Is aluminium also used as food?
No, aluminium used, only aluminium used for the containers. Okay, making food containers. Now in 33, which substance gives off carbon dioxide on heating? Which substance gives off carbon dioxide on heating? Carbonates. Okay, so carbonate is in limestone. So limestone. Then he says in 34, which compound has most CH2 groups in one molecule? The one which contains more carbon atom. So bute 4 carbon, bute 4 carbon, bute 4 carbon, bute. So you can easily understand it is what, let me check. Butane I can write is as CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. How many CH3 groups are there? CH2 groups are there? Only 2. In butanoic acid it should be CH3, CH2, CH2 and COOH. How many again? 2. In butanol we have 3. In butanol, sorry, we have 3. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. So how many CH2 groups are there? 3. So this should be the right answer. For but1ene we can write it as CH3, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. In fact, there is no CH2 group in but1ene. Understood? So what should be the right answer? C. 36. Methane react with chlorine in the presence of UV light. This is a displacement reaction. Okay, which substance is not produced in this reaction? Hydrogen, because when methane, which is CH4, when it tries to react with chlorine, which is ClCl, in the presence of UV light, what happened? One of the chlorine is replaced with the hydrogen, giving us HCl, and then it will replace one of the hydrogen, giving this chloromethane. This will give us what? Chloromethane. So this part should be there, because may 2 of the hydrogen replaced, may 1 of the hydrogen replaced, that hydrogen is replaced, combined with chlorine to give HCl, but no hydrogen is produced. Okay, so A should be the right answer. Then he says 36, ethene react with both hydrogen and steam. Both are addition reactions. Both are what? Addition reaction, because double bond is broken down. In the case of hydrogen we will get ethane, in case of steam we will get ethanol. So he says react with ethene, hydrogen, yes. Type of reaction, substitution, no. So I'm not choosing this. React with hydrogen, yes. Type of action, addition, yes, and we need a nickel as a catalyst, yes. Steam, substitution, wrong. Steam react with ethene, yes. Reaction is addition, yes. The catalyst nickel, no. So what make it correct? Which is the correct option? Only B. Understood? Because all of the points are correct. As 37, it says that which type of reaction occurs when ethanol is converted into ethanoic acid. So ethanol is an alcohol and it is changing into ethanoic acid, so it is oxidation. Okay, So whenever ethanol is converted into the ethanoic acid, this could be done by using potassium manganate or potassium dichromate as an oxidizing agent, and so the process is oxidation. Polymerization, this question is from polymerization, and you can see these are all, this is what we can say amino acid. Why? Because to one part there is amine, to other part there is an acid, so this is amino acid. This one is also, this one is also, but all are different. Whenever different amine or amino acids are combined, they will give us proteins, okay, by the linkage or by the bond of amide. Okay, what is the structure of polymer? P, so it should be there. Yes, it is correctly there. The only difference you can see, the orientation is changed, but it doesn't matter, it doesn't. So this part is there, this part is there, and exactly this part is there. So yes, this is correct. Why not B? So he changed to the both side of the black there is one nitrogen and no other nitrogen, so this is not correct because no such amino acid is there. Okay, this is diamine, not amino acid. This is dioic acid, not amino acid. Is it clear? So that's why we are not going to choose B. Why not C? This is amino acid, yes. This is amino acid, yes, but this part is incorrect. Both contains nitrogen. There must be one side carbon, double bond O. Why not D? This is correct, this is incorrect, because you can see to both part there is what? An acid part. Is it clear? This is not amino acid. Is it clear? So that's why only A option is correct. 39. Which statement about unsaturated hydrocarbon is correct? Unsaturated hydrocarbons contains carbon to carbon double bond, and also they can react easily with the bromine or halogens. Is it clear? So keeping that, he says that this is double bond is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, this is correct because it contains carbon to carbon double bond. Why not B? Ethene has more hydrogen atoms per molecule than ethane. So this is not the definition or statement for the saturated and unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbons have double bonds between carbon and hydrogen. No, hydrogen never ever makes double bond. So this is wrong from this point of view. Unsaturated hydrocarbons turns aqueous bromine from colorless to brown. Okay, unsaturated hydrocarbons turn aqueous bromine from colorless to, no, it's wrong. It's from brown to colorless. It should be from brown to colorless. Understood? So that's why this statement is wrong. So only A is correct. So last question of the exam. Again, we can see that these are the dioic acid and this is diamine, because to this part there is amine, to this part there is amine, to this part there is an acid, to this part there is an acid, and we learn carefully, very easily, that acid remove OH to make or convert it into ester bond or amide bond. Okay, when it is going into the, and one of the hydrogen is removed from here. You can see what we got, this polymer, this polymer. This is called as amide bond. This is called as what? Amide bond. Now he says that which row describes Kevlar? Remember, as water is removed, we can say this is what? A condensation polymer. This is what? Not addition. Not addition.
Two different kinds of water.
Yes, and water is removed as well, because mass is decreased, or there is a loss of mass in condensation, but there is no loss of mass in addition. Okay, so that's why we can say no, not addition, not addition. Condensation polymer, this part is collet, and polyamide. Yes, this is polyamide, not polyester, because if it was the polyester, there must be alcohol, diols and dioic acid. Understood? So this is ester bond or ester linkage, and this is C double bond O bond NH. This is what? Amide bond or amide linkage. So which was present? This one. This one was present. This is amide. Okay, so that makes polyamide. That is why this is, and this one is what? Ester. There is no ester. There was no ester linkage. So what we can say, C is the right answer. So now paper is over almost, and we finished I think more than 1 hour, because I explained each and everything. Okay, but when you are doing it regularly, you can do it within 1 hour, and in fact you are supposed to complete this exam in 45 minutes. Okay, so inshallah you will do. Let me know if you have any problem, any other question, you can ask me. Okay, and we will try to solve another paper soon.